some kind of a product. You want to do some innovative product. So you have some idea. Okay. So before going to that idea, first you have to explore about that. The kind of problems are getting the same for everyone or not. Suppose your friend is getting the different kind of a problem facing. So then that problem you try to engage about that. And he can immerse about that. Immerse means he can experience about the same thing. Okay. So like some app is there. The app you are working, you are getting some kind of error. Some other friend is same app is using, he is getting some other kind of error. Okay. Error means it is not properly responding that one. Right? So then you can try to do the same process whatever your friend is doing. So whether you are getting the same kind of a problems or not, you can explore about that. Okay. So if you go to the 1, 2, 3 steps, this is the problems are coming. Otherwise, if you go to the 5, 6, 7 steps, we are getting this kind of a problem. So then you can explore about that all the problems. Right. So these all the problems, then we will try to make it into the another one. And these are the some of the steps we have to do that. We have to user interaction is very much required. Empathy means, so you have in your mind some idea is there. So first you have to interact with the users. You have to interact with the users. Okay. So what kind of users you are interacting? The similar category of the people you are interacting with that. Suppose that's a classroom case study. We have made it some kind of a problem. And people are nowadays, after Corona, people are wants to take the warm water. Want to drink warm water. Of course, in the winter season, we used to take warm water. So if you make up some bottle and all, so then the flask and all, this is more costly and all. How to minimize the cost? You need a water bottle. Whatever the water you are keeping, the warm water, it should be stay at least 6 hours. 4 to 6 hours. Minimum 4 hours is you can see. Okay, not more than 4 hours. Let us see the 4 hours. Because morning if you come maybe up to the lunch time it is required some 4 to 5 hours or maybe 6 hours or 8 hours. Okay? Some water bottle with the temperature you have to maintain with the warm water when 6 hours. So how to do that? So what kind of bottles are required? Then you have to study about that. What are the different kinds of the water bottles are using? Suppose in this institute, if you take that, the students, you can observe that. So everybody is bringing the steel bottles or everybody is bringing the plastic bottles or some other kind of a bottles. What is the affordability? That is also most important. If you have that 1,000 rupees water bottle, how many people are going to buy? Generally, we used to buy the bottle with that some 200, 300 rupees like that only. Not more than 300, 400. Some bottle is good, but it's costly. It is 1,000 rupees. Nobody will buy. Right? So this is the problem. Right? So this is the one problem we are giving. How we are going to solve this problem? I need a water bottle with less cost. With it should be store some warm water. It stay some 4 to 5 hours. How that? Is there any idea? You have to respond. Any idea is there? No, because every day we are facing same problem, no? Water bottle. So if you bring some morning, some hot water will bring. So after 1 hour, it cools to the normal temperature. Okay. So then, how? Any idea? Water bottle again. So first of all, as engineers, we think about that. the temperature. What is the temperature level it is required? Warm water means what is the temperature level and all it is required. It is 15 degree, 20 degree, 24 degrees or 30 degrees is required. That you have to explore first. Okay. First you can explore about the temperature level. Suppose if your temperature level is 24 degrees centigrade, should stay for 5 to 6 hours. How we can make it? The continuity. So some kind of a heating is required. Okay. Suppose heating is electrical heating means electrical heating may not be available. Somebody thought about that, some solar heating. Solar powered water bottle. Okay, solar powered water bottle, it is available in the market. Is it available? It is right now. It is not available. Solar powered water bottle, right? So this is one kind of a case study from my students. In the people are came up with some solar powered water bottle. So solar powered water bottle means again. So what is the cost we are making? How much the size? The size is also very flexible size should be. The bottle is fit into your bag. So most of the laptop bags side one pocket is there. No? The size is required, the same size. Okay. So and moreover, the water is required at least 750 ml to the 1000 ml. That means 1 liter. Almost. That's what we used to carry every day. Okay. So the capacity and size of the bottle you know about that. The temperature to maintain about that you know that. Then you start design that. Okay, while designing, you have to interact with the other members. So, suppose solar powered water bottle, if you want to make it, so your friend will ask about the first question is what is the cost of the bottle. So how you can estimate the cost? How you can estimate the cost? So what are the materials we are using? So how much that using in that? So those equipments you are try to find out, you can count it. So finally, so manufacturing cost and every cost you are including, finally you are getting the water bottle cost. Okay. In empathize phase, first you have to observe about that. What kind of bottles they are using,